Well, thank you for taking the time to see our video here. What we have here is a 1982 Westfalia Vanagon. We're going to do a cold start on it. So I'll come down here and put my hand right down there on the muffler. Okay, it's really cold. All right, and the owner's going to come up and we're going to open this thing up and turn the key and let's take a look at it. Now this is a diesel. It's been my experience the diesel takes a couple more, little bit more effort.
Yeah, so typically with the diesel, there are glow plugs that,
Right.
that preheat the motor. And so I turn the key on. I'm going to let it stay on for about 10 seconds.
Okay.
It has what most people would think of as a choke.
Uh-huh.
It's a little pull-out lever here.
Okay.
And essentially what that does is it advances the fuel injection pump.
Okay.
So once we've done those two things,
Boy, it starts right up.
turn it over. Okay.